All right, so today I'm gonna take down these blinds. Fairly simple process. You really don't need too many tools. But the first thing I would do is I'd take off my stick here. All right, so I got that off. All right, next thing I wanna do, I wanna bring the blinds up all the way to the top. So these are cordless. If you have a cord, you'll bring that all the way to the top, just so it just makes it 10 times easier. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you, the window's a little open, but there's a piece right here, okay? I'm gonna press this in, and it's just gonna pop right off. I'll do it for you. Press this piece down, it'll pop right off. Press it down, it pops right off, just like that. I'm gonna do that with the other one. All right, so we have our blind off. Now we have our brackets. So it's up to you. I would look at, if you are replacing these with newer, I would look to see, you may have a similar type of blind that just takes these brackets. But I definitely recommend using the brackets that come with the blinds that you actually have. But if you do end up taking these out, there's 2 screws here. These screws are into the wood. What I would do is I would take a screwdriver and I would loosen those. Or you can just obviously take them out with a screwdriver. Or obviously you can use some sort of driver, drill driver. The reason why I would loosen them, it's kind of a tight space here. Kind of show you, so me, getting in here, it's a little tough, because, again, I can get an extension on this, but it's a little tough to get to. So I definitely recommend using a screwdriver. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start them with the screwdriver and take these out, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, so left a little bit of a screw left, but I'm gonna take this screw out, just hand do it. All right, take that off, boom, voila, it's gone. Pro tip also too, save your screws, put them in a can or something, because trust me, you always want to save your old screws. Now I'm gonna work on this one, but that is pretty much it. Again, so all I used was a screwdriver. Again, I didn't actually even use the drill. You can if you want to, but again, it's a fairly easy process. I liked using that screwdriver because it got it started. You definitely won't want to strip these here, because if you strip any screw, it's not a good time, but you definitely don't want to strip those screws. So, but yeah, like I said, just used a screwdriver. I have a little step stool. I'm 5'7", listed at 5'7", 5'9" at the bars. But I'm 5'7", so I definitely needed that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this.